today I'm going to show you this very interesting Insoma dual water timer. Here you can see that it has an upgraded brass swivel. It comes with a free app. There's even a Wi-Fi gateway included for extended Wi-Fi range. And it's a very flexible system, so we can add up to 32 of these water timers to the Wi-Fi gateway. We have also some manual watering functions. There's even a rain delay function included. So we have pretty much everything what we can expect from a really good quality, very flexible watering system. So I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what to get, how to connect to the app, and then how we can use it in real life. And so here's the box. It's a little bit more description, also some features here. You can see it's app controlled, comes with a free app, and we can also use it with Google Voice Assistant, Amazon Alexa. These things comes with a detailed instructions manual, and we get even 2 adapters and some Teflon tape to prevent some leakage. And here we have the Wi-Fi hub, and so here's the beautiful device itself. You can see really solid. Everything has a really good build quality. By the way, here we see the model type. Also very important to see that it can endure very high temperature, very high pressure, and as a power supply it requires 4 standard AA batteries. And of course everything really nicely water protected, so you really have to push pretty hard on both of the sides to open it. But you can see we have this nice seal here, so you don't have to be worried. The batteries are not included, so we have to bring our own batteries. On the inlet side we have even this really nice mesh to prevent any dirt from entering. We also have this seal, and then down here we can add one of these adapters, for example with the quick release, or of course you can use the normal thread. And so we scan the QR code here in the instructions manual. So we click on download, or we search for Smart Life in the official Play Store or Apple App Store. This is one of the most famous apps, so I have already a lot of devices here connected. So you can not only add this water timer, you can add a lot of devices like electric outlets, other timers, light sensors, and so on and so on. Pairing shouldn't be too difficult, so let's start with the Wi-Fi gateway. We plug it into power. We have the green light, and it pops up already without doing anything. If it doesn't work right away, you have to press for 3 seconds on this button here. So let's add it. What you have to do is now to enter the Wi-Fi information for your normal router. Make sure that everything is turned on your smartphone, like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and that you are already connected to the same 2.4G Wi-Fi network which you're planning to use for this water timer. After that, of course, you can use any kind of internet access, also 3G, 4G, 5G or so from your smartphone. Says being added. So let's wait for a little bit. Okay, and so we have a success. We click on done. We can also make a test. Click on test. And so after connecting the Wi-Fi hub, we are guided right away to the gateway itself, where we can add this water timer. So we click on add device here as well. So of course we have to turn on the water timer now. I think we have to press for 5 seconds on both of the buttons at the same time. So we have now 2 flashing green lights, which means they are ready to connect. So let's click on search for device. We confirm that the lights are flashing. If they have stopped flashing, just press for 5 seconds again. So we click here, and so it has found this water timer. Click on done and done again. And so we are already here with all the options. You can see zone 1, zone 2. So we have a lot of options. We can use the switch on the left side, can see and feel that, or open the switch on the right side. Now this is opening. Got confirmation from the LED, going automatically on 10 minutes, but we can close it again. Also close this one. We see also the weather information, and down here we have all the full timing possibilities. We can add the schedule, either timed watering schedule or cyclical water schedule. And of course, if you want to use this device with Google voice commands or Alexa, then you have to connect the Smart Life account there, but that's very easy usually. And also pretty important is that we give a unique name here. For example, water timer left for the left side, and water timer right for the right side. And so when we open Alexa and the Smart Life account is already connected to Alexa, then it says now new devices connected. Of course, I have to blur this personal information here, but when we go down, we find these devices already here. So I have the water timer right and the water timer left. So I can just click on it, for example, then it will start. Or the one on the right side, can see that here, same thing. Shows even here in the status menu that they are on. Or I can use the voice command, of course. With a lot of smartwatches, we can even use it directly from here. Hey Alexa, turn on the water timer left.
Okay.
I hope you have seen that. Let's do it on the right side. Hey Alexa, turn on the water timer right.
Okay.
Absolutely awesome, directly here from the smartwatch or from the smartphone. As convenient as it can get. And maybe some additional explanation why we need such a Wi-Fi gateway. This can be huge help. A Wi-Fi connection is usually consuming a lot of power and has limited wireless range. So the connection between the gateway and the watering timer is using a different protocol, which is using much less power and also has a much longer wireless range. So I would suggest to place the gateway somewhere in between of the Wi-Fi router and the place where you want to place the Wi-Fi water timer. Okay, and so we can screw the water timer here easily on the outlet. So I think it has a tight fit. And so we can easily start and stop with these two buttons. You can see. Absolutely awesome. And so let's try same thing with the app. I've been moving away a little bit because of the high water pressure. So click on that. Clicking here on the left side. Stop it again, right side. Stop it again, left side and right side. You can see we have both. Can stop them again. Yeah, absolutely awesome. Doesn't get any better than that. Yeah, so I've been using it outside for a little bit. Tried a lot of combinations, either using left one, right one, or both of them, or close both of them. Here directly from the device or also from the app. Tried even some scheduling and everything has been working absolutely awesome. What I really like is how fast this is opening and closing. And there were absolutely no leaks, not on the inlet, not on the outlets. I didn't even have to apply this silicone tape, works even without. So a really strong, beautiful, sturdy device. I'm super happy with it, so I can give you full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. And I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.